Alright, welcome back everyone. October 1st, 2023. You can see this is 5:30 in the afternoon. You can see how much distance there is between the rocks and the low tide. It's about 30 to 40 meters. So it's quite a long distance. I remember this morning it was splashing me if you watch the videos. So now it gives us, when it goes back out, it's this far to the rocks, which is about, I'd say a good 30 to 40 meters, somewhere in there. The tide is very far out right now, though. Not normally this far out. It's far, far, far out. All the way out. The opposite of all the way up. So yeah, it's far out there. Absolutely perfect day for digging clams. There was 4 guys down there. I don't know if you've seen the other video. digging 4 people out there digging clams. Perfect day to do it. They were out there on a little sandbar area thing. The tide's way far out there, and Primo's probably wondering where I'm at, because I told him I was going to be back to dig clams in a couple days. The tattoo's healed up, but we're out running Blue 42 and make a quick video of here to the pier. But yeah, we got a good 40 meters on low tide. So it's looking pretty nice. Water is actually really warm. It's been warming up the last couple months, so it's actually really warm. And honking at the horses. Horses. And then, what else? Yeah, I don't know if you've seen the videos from Playas. The water was really nice there today. Really beautifully blue and nice and clean looking. Really a beautiful, gorgeous day. People going out to take pictures. Yeah, I should be out here digging clams for sure. Remember how earlier where you stopped right here for a break? You stopped again. Yeah, so I decided to take Blue 42 on the afternoon run, since he's been such a good boy lately. Hoping I catch Primo out here catching clams. But I don't know. gonna walk down to the pier and get a good view from out here in the water, like a drone video, but far out here where it's so peaceful and nice to walk. So much space. Of course, I gained a few pounds in the last 2 weeks. So next tattoos, only gonna take out 4 days. I don't really care what happens to them. Keep slapping some stuff on there. I'm not gonna care about what happens, but they're gonna be on my calf, so and I'm not gonna be worried. It's gonna be like kind of like mud flaps, so it'll be fine. Slap some jelly on there and go. So yeah, we got 2 more scheduled for somewhere right around Christmas, New Year's. Got a lot of people out at the beach today. A good amount, anyway. Getting down to the last few days. And, we have all October, I guess. October and some of November. The beach is still nice. Beach is paradise. Hope you guys like the pictures. At the overlook right there at the statue. I got a bunch of kind of like 4 panoramic photos. I tried to move the camera the whole distance so it would be I was thinking it could just slide from left to right and it'd be one whole picture. You could just like look all the way across Rosarito, well, Puerto Nuevo, or the sand dunes, all the way to, you know, the corner right there. A couple pictures lined up, but some didn't. Primo's up there. It's a nice beach day. This morning it rained not all last night, but a part of last night. Rained pretty good, and then this morning was just finishing raining. You can see, I don't know in the video if you can see or not, it was just kind of sprinkling a little bit. So then about noon, 1 o'clock, somewhere in there, we were in Playas. The sun came out. Turned out to be a gorgeous day. Beautiful afternoon day. Right here in front of the Pelicanos restaurant. Beautiful Pelicanos. Almost beautiful, picture perfect. Unbelievable. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Amazing reflections in the waters here on the. But need to concentrate on maybe just starting another video and grabbing a couple pictures of this real quick.